Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. Today I would like to show you how to make a face mask without sewing really fast. It's for cases when there is emergency and you quickly need to cover your face to protect it. We will use staple, 2 elastic bands. I'm actually reusing elastic bands from my old face mask. I just detached them, easy, because they were just glued there. So 2 of them, both of them, since they are too short, then I cannot tie them together because it would be impossible to use it. So I just made knots at the end of each side on both bands. On each side I made 2 knots just to make sure they are tight and it will not slip from below the staple. So we have 2 of the bands, and I will use 3 napkins. Since they are just 1 layered, it would be very... I don't think it would be enough to use 1 napkin because it would be just 1 layer. And to be sure to create a safer mask, I prefer 3 layers, so I will use 3 napkins. Alright, let me put this away for the moment, and let's unfold the napkins. This is the first one. Here we have the second one. Try to put this folding on each other the same way, so then it will be easier for us to fold it, and also they will lie on each other nicely. Okay, and the third one. Okay, so we have 3 layers. 1, 2, 3. You can use as layers as you like, depends on your preferences. Okay, now we are going to fold it. I will use this line in the middle, which is perfect and will help me. Alright, so I actually fold it in half. Alright, so now I'm folding it again half. Just press it a little bit so it helps you to fold. Okay, now I open it back, and I again open it back. I take my 3 layers, and 3 layers stay there. So now, as you can see, I have 3 folds here and here. So I take this fold here and I bring it to the middle, and I fold it, and then I will fold the end to the middle as well. They are very soft, so it's not that easy to fold, and I will do the same. I fold the same way on the other side. So again, I have this fold, I will bring it to the middle, I will fold it to the middle, and this I will fold to the middle as well. Alright, so we have the napkins nicely folded. Okay, now we need to attach the strings. As I've already said, on each side I have the knots on each side on both elastics. So now I will fold this side at the end, even though I'm not going to put the elastic through there, but still this will create stronger edge. I will put the elastic there, and now I will just staple it, just maybe like 1 centimeter from that side, and make sure that you are stapling it. When you staple it, this goes out, this side goes out, so it doesn't scratch your face. Okay, now, and the staple is just below the knot, so it doesn't, the elastic doesn't slip. It holds there perfectly because the knot doesn't let it slip out. Okay, now this one again, like 1 centimeter from the bottom. And we will do the same from the other side. On this side again. More or less the same. Make sure you make it more or less the same. You don't need to measure. You have no time. This must be quick. Emergency. We need to cover our faces. So just more or less the same. And that's it. Voila. Our mask is ready. Voila. It opens nicely. This holds your, this goes on the nose. One side goes on the nose. Underneath your chin. Perfect. You have pretty good emergency face mask. I would not recommend wearing this every day, but if there is emergency and you have no face mask near you, you can just easily make face mask out of tissue, out of napkin, out of kitchen towel. And if you don't have elastic bands, don't worry. You can use any strap what you find. Even I would even use like shoelaces. I would actually bring them inside this little tunnel, and this I wouldn't tie it around my ears, but I would go all the way around my head, and so they would actually not hurt my ears. Let me again show you how I was folding the mask. I will show you on this piece of paper. It might be easier to see how I was folding. I've already pre-folded. So this is a paper. I folded it half. Then I fold it half again. I opened the whole paper. Okay, let's fold it again to the other side. It will be easier to be folding it. So you have the paper. Again, you fold it half, you fold it half. The reason why I fold it this way is that it will give me more flexibility to fold it whichever way I like. So you open it like this. Now you take this part and you fold it to the middle like this. You take this part and you also fold it to the middle like this. And you take the ends and you also fold it to the middle. And you do the same with the other side. And that's it. Perfect fold. Then when it's ready, you can now unfold it whichever way you need. It's good. It's good. So this was just for the demonstration. I was folding the paper just for the demonstration so you could see how I was folding the mask. But actually this is the tissue. Thank you for watching. I wish you a beautiful day or night, whatever part of the day it is in your world. Enjoy your life, stay safe, be happy. Bye bye, see you next time. And thank you for watching, bye.